Hello Internet. Well, today I'm going to be reviewing an app that I've heard a lot of good things about, so I'm very excited about this one. It's called Untapped. So my first impression was that the interface was beautiful. My second impression was that this was going to go very slowly on my phone. So this isn't necessarily a criticism of the app, but more of the technology or the resources needed to run it. I would not suggest using it on an HTC Wildfire like I've got. It's very slow. So anyway, into the features. I can look for drinking buddies, nearby beers, nearby bars. If I click on them, it's like a social network of beer. So friends that have added, when they drink a beer in a certain bar, I'll be alerted of it. If they recommend a beer, I'll be alerted of that as well. Right now I've clicked on a find a bar near me. Find beers near me. So it knows I'm near Annerley Road. Glad it wasn't any more specific. And it's telling me that people have liked Fat Yak because they've had it at the Hi-Fi, which is close by. I've also liked this beer called Fixed Gear and this Amber Ale from Mission Brewery. And it gives me the stats as well, the ABV and the IBUs, which is really good for a beer nerd like myself. I imagine that this is just going to get better and better the more you use it, as the recommendations for you become more precise and as the community and your friends list grows. Currently, I don't have any friends. Sob. But if I were to get a better phone that could more cope with this app, I absolutely would be interested in adding friends to this, because I'm always looking to expand my beer horizons, and so should all of you. So just an example of how this works. I'm going to look up a beer that I very much enjoy, Feral Hop Hog. So if I search this, it will come up with hopefully some reviews and it'll tell me where to find it. And here we go, Feral Hop Hog, that's what I'm looking for, so I'll click that one. Loading. So here I can add it to my wish list. I can check in. In other words, I can say I'm currently drinking this beer at this place, or I can find it, which is fairly self-explanatory. It'll help me find that beer. So overall, I'm very impressed with this app. I got it for free from the Android store, which is another bonus, and I look forward to discovering a heap of new and interesting beers using this one, and so should you. It's an app that I think that every beer lover or beer nerd should have on their phone.